friends, today we will make a delightful fennel seeds drink. For that we will require fennel seeds, poppy seeds, black pepper and sugar. 1/4 cup fennel seeds, 10 to 12 black pepper, 1/4 cup poppy seeds and 1 cup sugar. And depending on whether we have to make the drink in water or milk, we will require water or milk, and the cardamom powder for flavor. First we will roast the fennel seeds. You can take whole cardamom and roast along with the fennel seeds. If you don't want to use cardamom powder, we will take a thick pan and on the low flame we will roast the fennel seeds. We roast it to have the shelf life of the powder much more than normal, and it can be easily powdered if it is brittle. So we will make it hard and brittle. Till that time we will roast it. Check if it has become brittle or not. Now there is a time a bit more. I think they are roast now. We'll put it in the mixie jar. We will add poppy seeds, add black pepper and sugar. Grind it. The powder is ready. I will use a sieve to remove the big particles. it another time in the mixture to make it more powdered, remove the less bigger particles. The powder is ready. Now we will make a sherbet or a delightful drink out of it. Put 2 tablespoons of powder to the glass. Depending upon your choice, you can put water or milk and 2 pieces of ice. So this is ready, our sherbet, a delightful drink of fennel seeds, which is very healthier and which is because of black pepper and poppy seeds, it's good for brain also.